this video, I'll be showing you how to attach a sleeve to a male shirt. In my last video, I showed you how I prepared the sleeve and how I sewed the edge of the sleeve. Now, the first thing you will do here is to face the front side of the sleeve on the front side of the shoulder. Are you getting me? Note that the right side on the right side. Then use half inch to start sewing on the edge as I am doing now. So I started the sewing from the middle or the center. So I'm sewing one side down to the lower part of the armhole. I hope you can see that. Then when I'm done with this, I'm going to turn the shoulder to the other side where I will sew the other edge of the armhole from the center to the base of the armhole. It's just the way we sew our sleeves. You know, you have to start from the center so it can be centralized. So that's exactly what I'm doing here too. And you can see that I'm already sewing second side. I'm already sewing it from the center to the lower part. This is one of the most difficult parts of a male shirt making. You know, it is easier when we were sewing the female shirt. You just join the shoulder. You don't need to fold the edge of the sleeve. But for male shirts, you need to first of all fold the edge of the sleeve. I did that, I mentioned that in my last video. Fold the edge of the sleeve to the right. Right? Getting not to the left, you fold it to the right. So please make sure you check my explanation in the last video. So I'm done joining. Then you need to pay a lot of attention to this side because this part is very, very delicate. You know the edge of the sleeve itself is folded. So the only open part here is the shoulder, is the armhole. And I'm trimming it off a bit because I'm going to top stitch the sleeve edge on it. So you just need to gently use your scissors. Please make sure your attention is on this. It is very, very important. It is one of the difficult part of male shirts making. So make sure you gently trim off a bit. I use half inch to sew it, so you're like trimming off a quarter out of the half inch. You understand? So after trimming it off now, you see I'm checking the right side. Okay, so it is on this left side now that you will do the second top stitching. I'm sure you would have seen male shirt that used to have a top stitching on the shoulder. You know, female shirt don't usually have that. So that is what and that is what makes the male shirt to be a bit difficult. So I'm going to start sewing and I'm going to top stitch. The only thing I'm doing here is just to top stitch. Although you have to make sure that you don't pack fabric underneath. So you have to be careful. You can see the way I'm spreading out the fabric because I don't want any fabric to be packed. You understand? So it can be neat. You can see the way I'm flattening it out with my two hands. You can see that this is the technique and this is the professional technique. So this is what I'm going to do till I get to the other end, and it is that simple even if you are a beginner. I make shirts, and if you want to schedule a professional training with me, why not? You can just drop a comment for me and I will take you in one of the classes. You can see how neat it is. So I'll be showing you in the next video how we join the side seam.